Welcome to the channel, My Wallet Hurts, and today we are opening up a second box of Hit Parade's 24-25 Autographed Hockey Puck Series 1. These can be found at daveandadams.com. This box, they limited it to 50 boxes. This is box number 29 out of 50. And if you're interested in any of their Hit Parade social media, they can be found there. And again, their ID scanner barcode, QR code. Sorry, gosh, can't think today. So let's open it up and see what we find inside. In our last video, we had opened up a box of this, and we pulled a nice Tim Stützle game puck autographed. The hockey season is among us. The preseason has started. And the Rangers have won their first game. But it's only preseason, so. But it's nice to see a lot of the younger stars coming up from AHL and CHL playing. So let's see what we get today. We got Tim Stützle, and today, inside you find one of the Hit Parade flyers. And today, let's see if we can figure out who the autograph is going to be. Chicago Blackhawks. Is that 82? That would be Caleb Jones. Yep, Caleb Jones. Alright, nice. Yep, there it is on top. Caleb Jones. So we have Mr. Caleb Jones for Chicago Blackhawks. And I'm pretty sure I don't have his autograph. So that'll be a nice one for the PC. So there you have it. Box of Hit Parade, autographed hockey puck, Caleb Jones. Short video today. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for checking out the video. Have a great day. I hope you can find something for your PC. Have fun with it.